Good morning, class. My name is Poonam Dwivedi and I am your mathematics teacher. So today we are going to start our new exercise, that is 11B. So the name of the chapter is perimeter and area. So in previous exercise we have completed till perimeter. So today we'll start with area. So let us see the definition of area. The area of an object is the amount of surface that the object occupies. So what do you mean by area? Area of an object means the space that it covers is that an object occupies is known as its area. So today in this topic we will see the area of two shapes, that is rectangle and square. So what will be the area of rectangle? Area of rectangle would be L into B, that is length into breadth. And what will be the area of square? Area of square would be side into side. Okay, as all the four sides of square is equal, so that is why the area of square is side into side. So now let's see our first question. First question is find the area of the following of the rectangle. So we have been given the length and the breadth, so we can easily find out the area of rectangle by using this formula, that is L into B. So what we'll do, area of rectangle is equal to L into B. And what the length have been given? 45 into breadth is 25. If we will multiply 45 into 25, we will get 1125 and then the centimeter, and this will be the square. If we are finding out the area, then we have to write down the centimeter square. In perimeter, we have only written centimeters, but if we are finding out area, we have to write the unit as centimeter square. The same way, we'll find the area of the second one, that is area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. And what is the length? It's 125 into 40. Okay. So if you will multiply 125 into 40, you will get 5000. Okay. And you will write centimeter square. Don't forget to write centimeter square. Then the next question is find the area of square. So we have been given this one side, and we can find the area easily with the formula using side into side. So what will be the area of square? Area of square is equal to side into side, that is 40 into 40. And what will be the area? It would be 1600 centimeter square. So now we'll see the next one, that is 12 centimeters. So what would be the area of square? Area of square is equal to side into side. Then we can write 12 into 12, that is 144 centimeter square. Okay. Now we will see our third question. Arjun jogs around a square park of size 112 meters every day. Calculate the area covered by the park and distance covered by Arjun if he jogs 5 rounds of the park. So we have been given a park of the shape square. Okay. Square shape park have been given to us. And what its side? Its side is 112 meters. So now we are required to find the area covered by Arjun. Okay, so first we'll find the area of park. As the area is in the shape of a square, so we'll find the area of park, and what will be its formula? Its formula would be side into side. So the side has been given as 112 meters. So 112 into 112 is 544 meters. If you will multiply 112 into 112, you will get 12,544 meter square. So now you will find the perimeter. Perimeter of park. So what will be the perimeter? As it is said that, and the distance covered by Arjun if he jogs 5 rounds of the park. It is being said that 5 rounds of the park. So firstly we will write the perimeter of park. So what is the perimeter of park? That is 4s. Perimeter of a square is 4s into 5. So we will write 4 into, the one side is given as 112 into 5. So we'll multiply 2240 meters. So this would be your answer. Now we'll see our next question, that is calculate the area of the following. So first figure has been given to us, and now what we have to do is we have to join, or we have to divide the figure into two regions. That is, this is region 1 and this is region 2. So in first region we have been given the length as 8 meters and the breadth as 1 meter. So we will write length of region 1 is equal to 8 meters. Same way breadth of region 1 is equal to 1 meter. So the area of region first is equal to 8 into 1, that is length into breadth is equal to 8 meters square. The same way the region 2, the length of region 2 is 5 meters and the breadth is 2 meters. So what would be the area of region 2? Area of region 2 is equal to 5 into 2 is equal to 10 meters square. Now we will find the area of whole region or area of complete region. Complete region is equal to, we will add both the areas of region 1 and area of region 2. So what is the area of region 1? It's 8. And what's the area of region 2? It's 10. So total area is equal to 18 meters square. Now we will see option B. So as we have done in option A, the same way we will divide the figure into regions, that is first, second and third region. So the length of region Length of region 1 is equal to 2 meters and breadth of region first is equal to 2 meters. So area of region 1 is equal to L into B, that is 2 into 2 is equal to 4 meters square. So if it is 2 meters, this is also 2 meters. So what would be the length of region 2? The length of region 2 would be 2 plus 2 is 4 and the breadth would be 2 meters. So length of region 2 is equal to 4 meters and breadth is equal to 2 meters. So area of region second is equal to 8 meters square. The same way, if this is 4, this would also be 4. So length of region third would be 4 plus 2, that is 6. That is 6 meters. Here it is given as 6 meters. And what would be the breadth? 2 meters. So length of region 3 is equal to 6 meters. Breadth of region 3 is equal to 2 meters. So area of region 3 is equal to L into B is equal to 6 into 2 is equal to 12 meters square. So now we will add all the areas of all the regions and we'll get the area of whole region. So area of complete region is equal to area of region 1 plus area of region 2 plus area of region 3. So what is the area of region 1? Area of region 1 is 4 plus area of region 2 is 8 and region 3 is 12. So if you will add all the three, you will get 24 meters square. So this would be your answer. Okay, now we will see our next question. That is question 5. Suzanne wants to put down wooden floors in his living room that is 22 feet by 16 feet. If the cost of the wooden flooring is rupees 165 per square foot, find the approximate cost of flooring in the living room. So firstly we'll find the area of the room. So we have been given the dimension as 22 feet by 16 feet. So the length, what will be the area of room? L into B. So length is 22 and breadth is 16. If we will multiply 22 into 16, we will get 352 feet. Now we have been asked the cost of flooring in the living room. So we will find the cost of flooring in living room. So what we'll do? We'll multiply the area with the given cost. That is area into rupees. Because to area is 352 feet into rupees 165. So what will be the cost of flooring in living room? It would be rupees 58,080 rupees. Okay. So now we'll move on to next question, that is find the area and perimeter of square shaped swimming pool with a length of 90 meters. So the shape of swimming pool is of square shape A, B, C, D, and what is the side given? That is 90 meters. So all the four sides would be 90 meters. So we have to find the area of the pool. So what would be the area? Area of swimming pool would be side into side. Ninety into 90, that is 81 meter square. Then we have been asked to find the perimeter of square. So what would be the perimeter of square or perimeter of the swimming pool? Equals to 4s. 4 into 90, that is 360 meters. So we end up our exercise of 11B. Thank you for watching.